welcome back to the channel. I've only got a couple of hours this evening, so I'm heading to the Heritage Coast. It's been a really long week and it's only Wednesday, so that got me thinking, can a mid-week evening ride be just as satisfying as a full day out? Well, we're going to try and find out. These country lane roads are really nice. The view, you know, you feel like you're riding through nature. When the sun hits the visor though, you can't see a damn thing. Oh, nice little tight bend. Not too bad actually. It's a bit of a dodgy road. It's quite nice riding at this time of the day because it's cooler. It's more pretty, I think. Okay, let's get to some decent roads then. Here we go. This is the B4268, I believe. I could be wrong, but I'll try and put it on the video which road this is. Nice road so far. Yeah, lovely road. Again though, because the sun is getting low, it does make it a little bit difficult to see ahead. This guy behind, was he want a lift? I know where we are. Just to my left is Landau Circuit. Just in there. That was fun. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. On a Wednesday evening, when it's been a long week, this is just what I needed. Okay, they're not the best roads, but the location. Look at it, look at the scenery, all the hedgerows, the fields, quiet roads. Just absolutely what I needed today. Ah, this is it. This is what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Oh, he missed my turning. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh well, it's an adventure. We'll see where this goes. I was having too much fun on that road. think I should be getting to my destination soon, and I can see over those hedges a spectacular view. So I think now I'm out on Heritage Coast. So this is stunning, look at this. This is beautiful. I hope you can see the view in the distance. Look, wow. Nice little pub. This is cute. Nash Point. Here we are. Just take a look at that view. Beautiful. So I've made it to my destination. It's a little bit windy, so I apologise for the wind noise. But just look. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. The scenery. Look at this. Hey, the lighthouse is over there. I'll show you that in a minute. I just want to take in the view. Look at this. I do miss the being by the sea. Such a beautiful ride here as well. It was a nice ride. It was nice roads. The only problem is this time of day, the sun is getting low, so it was in my eyes. It was making things look dark ahead, and I couldn't quite see what was around the corner or what was coming up. So there was one point where I came face to face with a tractor at the last minute. I'm not sure if I got that on camera or not, but yeah, that was a bit of a hairy moment. But yeah, the roads were nice. You know, there were some nice B roads, some country lanes, and I really enjoyed the ride here. I'm just walking towards the lighthouse now, so I'll show you that when I get there. But it's a really lovely place. I'll just turn the camera around so you can see. It's lovely. Yeah, and it's not that far of a ride either, really. It was about half an hour, I guess. But I've had a lot going on this last couple of months, so it's been a bit stressful, and got a big change coming in my life. So I'm leaving one job where I've been there for 22 years, and I'm going to start a new career, which is pretty scary. You know, at my age, I didn't think I'd be changing careers, but it's happening. So that's quite a scary prospect. Not quite sure how it's going to pan out, but I wasn't happy where I was, so I needed to make a change. And so I've just gone for it, and whatever will be, gonna have to make it work. Hey, look at this for a view. Hey, isn't that stunning? I do miss being by the sea. I grew up by the sea. It was literally a stone's throw away for me, and now I don't, well, I do live near it, just not as near as I used to. Okay, so on the way home now, I think I'm going to go back the way I came, so that was quite nice. That was a lovely stop though. If you want to visit, it's Nash Point Lighthouse. Now I'm not sure where this is going to take me, this new path. It could be disastrous. I could have made the biggest mistake of my life, but I'm not going to know that unless I do it. And if it is something that I regret, then I'm just going to have to deal with that. So that's why I do some of these rides. You know, just don't think about where I'm going. Either do a thrill ride like I did in the last video, or just pick somewhere and find some nice roads to ride. Just get out on the bike, because it really helps me just clear my head of all those thoughts that are going around, like, you know, have I made the right choice, what's going to happen, you know. I can't think about that 24/7. It's driving me absolutely nuts. So these rides really help to get out on a road. And look at this that we've got ahead of us. Look, this is just what I needed, and that viewpoint, absolutely spectacular. Highly recommend you come down and visit. Look at this for a road now. We got something big coming. Try and stay over a bit, give them some room. I think I might actually pull over here. I'm supposed to go left there. I was just enjoying that so much. Oh, I can keep going this way. That's okay. I'm enjoying this road too much. That's the thing about adventures. It doesn't matter if you go the wrong way, because that's what adventures are all about, right? Discovering new places and new roads. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of my midweek evening ride. I'd love to know what your favourite time of the day or time of the week is to ride. Leave me a comment below and tell me, because I think right now my favourite time to ride, especially in the summer, is between 6 and 9 o'clock in the evening. If you did like the video, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. I just want to thank you for coming along for the ride with me today. I really do appreciate you all, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your summer, and when you do go out on your bike, ride safe. And remember, if you've only got an hour, just get out on the bike and go somewhere. Especially if you're not feeling yourself and you're feeling a little bit down, like I have been recently, just get out on the bike for an hour. It's going to sort you out. Right, that's it from me. Until the next one, ride safe everybody, and I'll speak to you soon.